Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep track of your Discord chats while gaming or multitasking on your phone, then Discord's mobile overlay feature is exactly what you need. It lets you talk with your friends without constantly switching apps, making everything smoother and more fun. Today I'll walk you step by step through how to turn on the overlay in Discord. It's quick, simple, and once you set it up, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's begin. First, open up the Discord app on your phone. You'll see the main screen with your servers, chats, and messages. At the very bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you should notice your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where all of your account and app settings are located. Once you're in your profile, look for the gear-shaped setting icon. Tap on it, and you'll be taken into Discord's full settings menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options that you can customize, but for now, we're focused on the overlay feature. Scroll until you spot the section that says Voice. Now comes the most important step. Inside the voice settings, you'll find an option labeled Enable Mobile Voice Overlay. All you need to do is toggle that switch on. The moment it's enabled, your overlay will be active whenever you're in a voice channel and using other apps at the same time. That means you'll be able to carry on your Discord conversations while keeping your main focus on whatever else you're doing on your phone. With the overlay turned on, you'll see a small, movable bar on your screen while you're gaming or browsing. This lets you manage call controls easily without jumping back into the Discord app over and over. It's a feature designed to save time and keep the experience seamless. And that's really all it takes. Just 3 simple steps. Open Discord, tap your profile and settings, then go to Voice and enable the mobile overlay. After that, you're ready to stay connected with your friends anywhere, anytime.